Hi, I'm Emily Ward. I'm a State 4-H Healthy Living Ambassador, and today I'm going to show you how to make a chicken quesadilla. Before I begin cooking though, I did wash my hands for 20 seconds to observe proper food safety. So what you're going to need is 2 small tortillas, a tablespoon of white onion, 2 teaspoons of taco seasoning, half a cup of shredded cheese, and 2 ounces of chicken. Now I am using packaged chicken because that's what I have. So you're gonna mix, I also already cooked my white onion and my chicken. So you're gonna mix the onion with the chicken and add your 2 teaspoons of taco seasoning. And mix it. If you don't have taco seasoning, you can also use chili powder, cumin, and paprika mixed together. So then I'm gonna light my stove and spray my pan with Pam or cooking oil, whatever you have. And then lay down my first tortilla, add some cheese. Add my chicken and white onion with taco seasoning. And then add my other tortilla on top. And you're just gonna cook it until all the cheese is melted on the bottom, and then don't forget to add the other cheese on top. So once you think the cheese is melted on the bottom layer, you can flip it and cook the other side until that cheese is melted. So, before I made this video, I also prepared one so y'all wouldn't have to sit here and watch me totally make one. So then once it's done cooking, you'll just take it off, put it on a plate, and cut it just like a quesadilla that you would get in a Mexican restaurant. Thank you for watching. Bye.